In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Acuity scheduling. If you're new to Acuity or just need a refresher on getting everything up and running smoothly, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step together to make sure your scheduling system is set up just how you want it. First, let's get started by heading over to the Acuity scheduling website. You can easily access it by entering acuityscheduling.com into your web browser. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to locate and click on the login button. You'll find it typically located at the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to the login page where you'll need to enter your email address. Type it in and click next to proceed further. For a faster login experience, you have the option to continue with Google. By using this method, you can bypass entering your password each time you log in, saving you a little bit of time and effort. After selecting this option, simply choose the Google account you want to log in with. Once everything checks out, you'll land straight on your Acuity dashboard. Now that we're in, let's move on to setting up appointment types. From the Acuity dashboard, find and click on Create Appointment Types. This section allows you to define the details of the appointments you'll be offering. Craft each appointment type by customizing important elements like its duration, a brief description of the service, and of course the pricing. After you've configured these details, finalize them by clicking on Create Appointment Type to save your newly crafted service. With our appointment types all set, we now need to tell Acuity when we're available. Return to your dashboard and click on Set Your Availability. This step is crucial as it's where you'll define the specific days and times clients can book with you. Not only can you set your regular availability, but you also have the flexibility to set up recurring schedules or make exceptions for holidays or special events. After establishing your scheduling times, make sure to click Save. This ensures all your availability settings are securely stored and ready for use. It's always good practice to keep your scheduling page easily manageable, so next navigate to your calendar. Here you can view your schedule in day, week or month view, which gives you a clear perspective on your commitments. It also allows you to manage appointments, make changes as needed, and effortlessly organize classes if you offer them too. Finally, to put a personal touch on your scheduling page, select Design Your Scheduling Page on the dashboard. Customize its appearance and tweak the options according to your brand's feel and client needs. Tinker around with the design elements to make it truly your own. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Acuity scheduling. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in getting your scheduling system in tip-top shape.